Yeah, Zach. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Certified God plan, I don't plan on stopping. All I talk is big, small is not the option. Chain on like a convict, my word is sick as hospice. You don't want no problem, I take your family hostage. Think I'm off my rocker, all I eat is salmon pasta. You might think it's sweet.
So it's feeling great out here today, man. Some nice weather. Taking a quick hike, you know what I'm saying? They say it's about 70 degrees. And I feel like 70 degrees is kind of cold, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking like 75 degrees might be the desired temperature for me, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, it still feels great. Anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video. Let's get back into it.
The law that said they had a law. Ballin' every day, I hit the three, it feel like basketball. I'm so far ahead, I can't even tell if I'm passing. Y'all don't want her, then I pass her off. Fly like I don't have a flaw. I'm sick, my floor is fentanyl and ethanol. I'm dead to y'all, my time is now, I'm set the ball. Yeah, certified God plan, I don't plan on stopping. All I talk is big, small is not the option. Chain on like a convict, my word is sick as hospice. You don't want no problem, I take your family hostage. Think I'm off my rocker, all I eat is salmon pasta. You might think it's sweet, but shit get evil like a swastika. I'm lit like it's Hanukkah, my build just like Osama, bruh. You don't want no beef with me, that 40 cal pop you up. Every day I'm hustling, my money boy is covered and I'm ratting, but I'm running shit. It's only one and one of this. Even Stevie Wonder asked to see the heat I'm coming with. You don't got no heart, that's why you fell right when you tried. That boy run up on me, tried to take my shit, he died. Police get behind me, I'ma take him for a ride. Chillin' when I'm sober, but I'm chiller when I'm high. Riding like a rover that been taken in disguise. Certified God plan, I don't plan on stopping. All I talk is big, small is not the option. Chain on like a convict, my word is sick as hospice. You don't want no problem, I take your family hostage. Think I'm off my rocker, all I eat is salmon pasta. You might think it's sweet, but shit get evil like a swastika. I'm lit like it's Hanukkah, my dude just like Osama, bro. You don't want no beef with me, that 40 cal pop you up. Certified God plan, I don't plan on stopping. All I talk is big, small is not the option. Chain on like a convict, my word is sick as hospice. You don't want no problem, I take your family hostage. Think I'm off my rocker, all I eat is salmon pasta. You might think it's sweet, but shit get evil like a swastika. I'm lit like it's Hanukkah, my blow just like Osama, bro. You don't want no beef with me, that 40 cal pop you up.
Welcome to Carrollton Point Park, man. I am your host, Zach Talks TV. Make sure you guys remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. I'm just now walking down to the park area, man. They got a lot of things up there that we might get to check out. This is just a quick video, man. Check out the river line. This side is like a river, but then it connects over into this path over here. So that's why I'm thinking it's like the Ohio River and it's the Miami River. Because it's actually boats coming from this way and they're turning down that way, or they're turning down this way. So this is like an intersection for the boats down here in Carrollton, Kentucky. See how the algae in the water.
Spit like 50 bands, pull up in the Benz, rebound making ends, chopper clip extend, hit the jumper for the win. Know what's up, we in. Look, dance. Pull up in the Benz, we about making ends. Chopper clip extend, hit the jumper for the win. Know what's up, we nigga.
Right now, getting some quick oil. That's dope. Yeah, man. Zach's House TV, checking in with the gang. As y'all can see, man, I'm sweaty. I'm out here working. You feel me? Get my mind right now. But yeah, man, make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. I'm trying to switch up the content, do something different, so stay tuned with me. You dig? Check it out. Came out the corner over there. Actually, that's a jet ski. They just came through on a jet ski. Look at it. But of course, we're all the way out here in the boondocks, so gotta make the best of it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm probably gonna edit this up, chop this up, and throw it down on Zach Talks TV, man. Hopefully y'all support it. Y'all hit that like button for me, and y'all share it. You know what I'm saying? Share it. If you know anybody that live in Carrollton or close to Carrollton, never checked out Carrollton Point Park, come and check it out, man. It's pretty dope. Pretty good views down here. Now, as you can see, this is a whole nother section, whole nother bridge going across there. That's actually the bridge I came across to get to this park. As you can see, this boat over here sliding down. Joe, as you can see, that's the sign right there. The park is called Carrollton Point Park. Look it up on Google. Actually, I'll look it up and pop it right there. But yeah, man, Zach Talks TV, SFA, checking in with the gang. Until next time, make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'm your host, Zach Talks TV, SFA, and I'm out. Zach Talks TV, SFA, checking in with the gang. I am live here in Switzerland County, Ohio. Just checking out this quick park, man. Finally done with my route. Here, let's check out the sign. I think this is the sign to the park right here, as you can see. The main attraction is the boat ramp right there. Okay, Switzerland County. Man, about to head out of here. Make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. We gonna be going more cool places, man. But until next time, make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'm your host, Zach Talks TV, SFA. Until next time.